Today is Friday, July 19th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And since it is Friday, it's time to dance our way into the weekend. And what a great weekend it's going to be. The weather is just fantastic today across the Great Lakes, the Midwest, the northern and central plains. The only showers that we really have today are right along the Gulf Coast. So let's get right to that weather map. And it's all thanks to high pressure that built in from Canada. So it's a refreshing area of high pressure. But of course, with any air mass as it sits in a different region, it begins to moderate, it changes, it warms up, it becomes more wet, the moisture increases, so the humidity and the temperatures will both be increasing as the weekend goes on. Showers and thunderstorms mainly across the south today, right along the Gulf Coast, and then we have these showers and storms coming out of the Rockies. These will push east a little bit toward the Mississippi River Valley as the weekend goes on. But most of us are going to have a nice weekend, and certainly nice today. 80 in Detroit and Grand Rapids, near 80 in Chicago, 76 in Cleveland, low 80s for Minneapolis and Des Moines. Cincinnati, you're at 82 today, 84 in Louisville, and mid and upper 80s from Nashville to Memphis today. So we'll see temperatures climbing a little bit as the weekend goes on. If you pay close attention, maybe you'll even notice the humidity climbing a little bit, but it looks like it's going to be a nice weekend throughout the entire Midwest. Down in the southeast, yeah, we do have a couple of scattered showers and storms that will develop today. It's certainly not going to rain all day. It's warm, it's humid, temperatures peaking anywhere from 85 to about 90 degrees. We got 90s down through the Florida Peninsula with some scattered showers and storms, especially along the west coast of Florida today. 86 with some showers and storms this morning, moving out of New Orleans. I think it actually will be nicer this afternoon. And 93 with sunshine in Dallas. So we're in the mid-80s in the southeast, including in Charlotte through the weekend. It looks like we'll remain generally in the 80s, so not extremely hot by any means for this time of the year. 90 degrees with some thunderstorms possible today in Fort Lauderdale. I think the majority of those storms will be along the west coast of Florida today. Upper 80s around 90 here through the weekend and into early next week. Florida doing its thing. All right, that is your Friday morning forecast. I hope you all have a great weekend. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.